so there's a huge selection of food to pick from here, and you more or less just pick what you want, I suppose, and then they charge you by what you get. Some of these curries look alright. Warung Joglo, Tepi Sawah. It's on the rice paddies. You can see here, it's like a Joglo style warung. So it's a really, really big area, and it's down onto the rice paddies, which is very nice. Looks like they got things for photos and stuff like that here. So, alright. It's got a nice view of the rice paddies. Okay, we'll go in and check it out and see what we've got. I'm really just after like some soto or something, soto soup, which is really good. It looks like it might be like a smorgasbord, like a buffet type thing. You just pick what you want. Alright, got all different types of meats, soups. Wow. Alright, so there's a huge selection of food to pick from here, and you more or less just pick what you want, I suppose, and then they charge you by what you get. Some of these curries look alright. Alright, so these would be the soto, probably, for soto, which is about all I want really, some soto. Hello. So I'm just going to get soto. So they've got the soto sitting under glass, and you more or less just fill the soup up yourself. Ada jeruk nipis? Alright, so I'm just going to have a soto, and we'll get a bit of lime. You're really going to get, so I'm going to get the soto, and Yuli's just going to pick whatever she wants from the selection. Just getting some ikan asin, some salty fish, some veggie, and a percador, which is like a potato patty, sort of fried potato croquette sort of thing, I suppose you could call it. So here the drinks, you just more or less get a cup. We've got different types of tea, sweet tea, tea tawara, which is no sugar, and ice if you want. So I just made myself a iced tea. Yuli's getting sweet tea. Okay, so once you've picked what you want, you just bring your food here to the cashier, and yeah, then you find a spot to sit and eat. Okay, so we found a nice little spot right in the corner here, right opposite the rice paddies and that. Really nice. Check this out. So rice paddies. Now this is just off Takauma. It's more or less right in the middle of town. You wouldn't even know it was here. You can see there's rice paddies everywhere around. And yeah, it's the old Joglo, Java Joglo style of building there. It's very good. So as you can see, I got the soto soup. I got a little bit of tempeh as well, and some jeruk nipis, which is just lime. Put a bit of lime in. And Yuli got rice, veggies, some percador, like the potato cakes, some salty fish, and some tempeh. And what a setting. How beautiful is this? Nearly as beautiful as you, darling. Okay, so I'm just going to try out this soto. Now, everywhere you go in Indonesia, soto's got a different areas, have different flavours and different ways of making it. So we'll just try out this. You can tell it's like a yellowy colour turmeric-based soup. It's quite nice actually. Yeah, so there's just something nice and relaxing about sitting here right next to the rice paddies. So nice. The soto was amazing, so for the price, can't beat it. Okay, so that was really good, so I thought I'd go and get a few extra little bits and pieces. So I got an egg. Now the eggs are boiled and then they're fried to give it sort of a crispy skin with sambal on it. A little chicken drumstick, an egg, and another percador because they're really good. So yeah, I'm going to pig out this morning, have a good breakfast. it's just so enjoyable just sitting here near the rice paddies. This could very quickly become one of my favourite warungs, actually.
I've been telling you this many times, but
Yuli's been trying to get me to come here for like a long time, and I'm like, oh no, it's too far. Yeah, but it's not far, it's really like 2 kilometres from my house. So yeah, it's very nice, very good atmosphere, and well worth checking out. So I'll leave a link in the description for this place, Google Map link, and yeah, definitely come and check it out. It's great food, really, really good food actually. And then in the end you just come here and he knows what you've taken, and just pay. You can pay scan pay or you can pay cash. Okay, so that was really, really surprisingly good, and yes, this could just be my new favourite little warung. So come and check it out. Warung Joglo, Tepi, Sawah. Okay, so that whole meal was only 97,000 with the drinks. So I had the soto and a bowl of food as well. Yuli got a takeaway Arawana and her meal, and the 2 drinks. It's 97,000, about $9.70. So this is extremely cheap, this place. So we're going to try out this warung here. We've been told about it. It's called Warung Kolega. It's on Chulann Dewi Sri, but not the main Dewi Sri. There's actually 2 other little laneways off it that are actually Dewi Sri as well. So I'll leave a link in the Google Map link in the description. So we'll probably sit out here. It's a bit cooler. We'll check out what they got.
some of them already finished.
Yeah, looks like we come a bit late and there's not too much left. We got prawns and fish, rendang, stewed beef, and eggs, tempeh, tofu. So there's also soto and rawon. Alright, so you just come here and tell the girls what you want. They give you a choice of certain rice and you just pick what you want. Typical nasi campur. Alright, then there's another section over here where you choose your drinks. I'm just going to get ST tawar. It's like tea with no sugar. Yuli's getting a coconut juice. So you actually get your juices here, but your food over here. So I'm just going to get a soto soup, and we're going to get a little bit extra like white rice. See, like some like lungs, chicken lungs, and I'm going to get some percadels, little potato cakes. So Yuli got a eskalapa muda. It's like coconuts, young coconut. I just got a tea tawar, which is just tea with no sugar, plain tea. And it's nice out the front here actually. Now, as I was saying before, Chulann Dewi Sri, the main Chulann Dewi Sri, and there's 2 other streets off it from the McDonald's end that are actually Dewi Sri as well. So it's a little bit tricky if someone tells you the address. So I'll leave the link to the Google map so you can find this place. There's actually a fair few little warungs along this street. So, and this is the soto. Thank you. So I'm just going to have, because we come too late and they've nearly sold out all the food today, but there is a lot bigger selection of food normally than what was there. But this is a soto, which I've showed you before in other videos, and it's like a turmeric based soup. It's got the chips and the noodles and the chicken and the egg and the tomatoes and everything in it. And yeah, we'll try it out, see what it's like. You know, I love soto. It's a very typical breakfast food in Indonesia. But it's late in the afternoon and it's okay. So what I do is just get a bit of white rice and mix some white rice in it as well. And you got
Paru
goreng, which is chicken or beef. Oh, it's like cow lungs. She loves cow lungs. I don't know why. I don't think I've ever really tasted it. Let me. Oh, it's very crispy.
I like skin.
It's just the thought of eating lungs. I don't know. Oh, it's actually not too bad. It's very crispy, but it's still just cow lungs. So if you like that video of the 2 warungs, the Joglo warung at the rice paddies was my favourite. It's actually very nearly my most favourite warung around actually. It's a very good place to go. It's very tranquil, and yeah, it's a nice place. So if you like that, drop a comment, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.